Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You're very welcome to the inaugural Manufacturing and Supply Chain Awards presented by Irish Manufacturing Research and Premier Publishing and Events.
Really looking forward to tonight. The showcasing of the companies and what they've achieved is just phenomenal.
Cobots.ie are involved in 3 of the projects that are up for awards tonight, and we hope that one of those is going to win.
And I'm delighted to be here with you, celebrating the manufacturing and supply chain industry across the island of Ireland.
This evening is a nod or a tip of the hat in recognition of the very best of Irish manufacturing, the people who work and drive these businesses, and the positive impact they have had both within Ireland and internationally.
Our first category this evening is the best use of robotics, sponsored by Cobots.ie.
The winners are Valeo Vision Systems.
I'm delighted to announce the winner of the Health and Safety Initiative of the Year award is Bryody Bedding.
The winner of the Food Manufacturing Team of the Year is Kerrygold Butter Packaging.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to announce the winner of the Best Manufacturing Skill and Development Programme as Boston Scientific Clonmel.
The winner of the ICT Manufacturing Team of the Year is Intel.
The winner of SME Manufacturing Company of the Year is Aerotech Medical Limited.
On behalf of Irish Manufacturing Research, I'm delighted to announce the winner of the Grand Prix IMR Manufacturer of the Year is Dupuis Synthesis.
Our final award of the evening, folks, but it's probably one of the most important of the lot, is for outstanding contribution to the manufacturing sector.
Helen Ryan, a real champion for the industry and has made an enormous contribution, and hence we're delighted to present her with the award this evening.